Hello, good day, Ma'am Jocelyn.
Good day, ma'am.
And how are you doing today?
I'm okay, ma'am.
Good. So, can you please tell us a little bit about yourself?
My name is Jocelyn Jindulan, 25 years old. I have 4 siblings, and I am the second child.
So, do you have a husband? Are you married?
I'm single, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
No, ma'am.
So, what is your highest level of education?
I am a college graduate, ma'am.
So, what is your working experience?
My work experience is in General Santos City, Philippines, since 2013, May up to August 2015.
So, what is your duty and responsibility in your previous work?
My duty is to clean the house, the bedrooms, to feed the 6 years old children, and I feed also the dog, and I clean the house. And
So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is a good country, and I want to support my family.
So, can you sing a nursery rhyme?
Okay, ma'am. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Wow, that's so good. So, can you please give me a message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, sir. If you will give me a chance to work with you, I will treat your family as my own family, and I am honest, obedient, kind, and I am hardworking, and I am willing to learn Chinese cooking, and I am willing to learn a Cantonese language. Hope to see you soon, ma'am, sir. Have a good day.